just on that. Oh, somebody's here. All right. Well, I'll try to catch maybe a news trade this morning.
News? Is there news today?
News.
News. I was just trying to get the new guy in the room, but I don't know if he's.
Hey, let's see. Maybe.
Let you know.
We
And
get something.
I don't think so, since it's not moving.
Oh, oh.
Oh, look at that. Just as long.
There's
Kind of hard to
500
trade that one.
bucks.
Yeah.
That
I
works.
was on the wrong. I was on the wrong account.
I'll take that this morning.
Yeah, you might get another. I might get another shot at it. It's pulling back.
Does that guy go green now? I'm not gonna try that again. I got the first pullback.
I'm gonna try it. Right. Let it come down.
Oof. Scares me now. Yeah.
There it goes.
I was gonna say you'd have to go like right then.
Yep,
There.
I got it.
I got it. It had to been like fast too, buddy.
I got it. Go, baby.
Scares me. Now it's gotta go break the top. If it breaks the top, I'll jump back in with you. It's a pretty good little resistance area. I'm doing it on
Just had to have some patience.
I'm assuming you're doing
that was a good. I'm doing on ES.
Oh, I did it on NQ.
Yeah.
It's all right.
I was just waiting for that bigger. I just missed that first pullback, so I just waited for the big pullback.
I got the very first pullback. It went up.
Don't
target
fail.
$600. No time
There we
flat. Go. If this, there you go. You got targets off and everything. You got that $500 for you.
I got the same amount as you on this
that
one.
Nailed it for you. Nice, man.
Go. I'm still in this thing. Come on. There we go.
Yeah, you got a better one than I did. I just did the first pullback. I'm gonna try to get up above the top here. If it doesn't play right, then no. Hey, we finally got a news event we could trade too. How about that?
Yeah, it was nice.
Look at RTY.
Come on, break this top.
We should have traded RTY on that news event. Damn. There's a nice little breakout coming. Actually, you know what? With this being R1 and everything on the ES and the breakout on RTY,
come on, break through. You know you want to.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna do a buy stop above this because that's gonna be a breakout trade. Oh no! Don't you tell me! Don't you do it! Oh no! Oh shoot! Frozen. That's not cool this early. That's gonna be annoying.
Connection lost.
Mother trucker. That's so
annoying. All right, back to our regularly scheduled programming.
Oh my god. Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you loud and clear.
I say connection lost right when I was trying to.
Oh.
That's not
I'm
cool.
going to tighten this up. I don't think.
Crap.
Look at that. Got a runner out the gate.
That's really annoying.
Dude. Yeah. Is it? Did they come out yesterday and fix it?
No, they're supposed to come today. They did something. Oh my God, are you kidding me?
Are you in a trade?
I was supposed to be.
Well, not to make you feel bad, but this is a huge trade.
Okay. Hey, okay.
Still, if you got in at the breakout, you're still fine, right?
Well, I was trying to, and then I lost my connection, and I'm like, what the crap? But it's okay. I got target off now on my third account. Dude, I'm gonna be day done after this.
I know. I'm thinking the same thing. This is a huge trade. I'm like,
This is my
okay.
third account that's gonna be over
It's like,
400 bucks. Maybe if it keeps going. If it doesn't, oh well.
this might be in right here.
I like that above the R1 on the ES here. That's a it's a pretty little strong level there. So
I'm
I'd
not
do
how.
another
Why are
break.
my
I'd
pivots?
attempt another breakout trade on this long.
Why are my pivots not showing? Oh, there it is. Okay, couldn't see it.
It's right at R1 on the NQ, and there's a level right there that I like on the NQ as well. So there's a
All
lot of
right.
stuff to like about this. Hey, that was nice.
Heck yeah.
Aren't you
I
glad I
am not.
suggested get up for this
Yeah,
morning?
that was worth waking up for.
Oh, so here's what I did, Tom. I got so it's several different accounts here, but I got the initial pullback and then push back up for the first account. The second account, I got the breakout for 400 bucks, and then third account, I actually got the RTY breakout for a little bit over 300, and
Waited
then
for the
this one,
pullback on the yes.
and then this one, um, this account just got that 40 bucks. Since Tom's the only one here.
Oh, I think we got some new people in here too. We do.
Okay, well if you're new,
That wasn't typical of how we do it, but
it's
we
not
had to be
that's not
quick.
yeah we trade news a little different, but I don't I think who's new here? A couple new people. That's on
Stin,
that.
did I say that right? Stin, I
Yeah,
might have said
I
that
tried to
right.
do the breakout in front of you, but obviously I froze. A ninja froze. Is it Sten? Sten. Yeah, I think Sten
Stin.
knows us from somewhere in the past because we've
Uh,
done it, or me. We've
Let
done
them
it on
know
block a time or
you've
two.
got a chat bubble in the top right corner. You can
Oh yeah,
open that up
yeah.
if you don't know.
Feel free to chat in the top right hand corner.
Yeah, yeah, you did have to be fast on it, Tom. I don't know. I mean, I missed his first entry. I just waited for the major pullback on ES and took it. So
Yeah, so the way the price
maybe not
action
that bad.
played out is this first candle came up, second candle came up, it retraced all the way back to here, started
I don't
running
see anything.
again.
I don't see anything on your charts if you're explaining something.
Well, my charts are up.
I don't see you doing anything though. Or were you explaining something?
I mean, do you guys
I don't
not
see
see
your
my
mouse
charts?
moving. Uh-uh.
I'm on my charts.
Can you guys see his mouse moving at all or anything? I don't
Tom?
even see it.
Tom, you see me? Do you see my charts? Or do I need to redo my charts?
I see your charts, but I don't see anything like there's nothing moving. And when you were talking, I'm assuming you were explaining something. So
Okay, let's try this one more time. Oh,
nothing like
stupid.
having some technical issues in the morning.
It's just
There we
being in the
go.
middle of the country is like bull.
There we
Like
go.
you can't get anything done in the middle of the country, and obviously,
Yeah. You would think by now that wouldn't be so middle of the
you
country.
would think, right? You
Yeah.
would think that this would not be like, oh well, let's try to get a technician out in 6 weeks.
There
Shut
we go.
up.
Now I see it. Now
All
I
right,
see it
so
moving.
this is a smaller tick chart. Anybody that's new here, maybe we should buy this. Or is that one that has 40 bucks? I'm gonna try to get that on the that above the R2 on the ES, I think. So basically, here's what happened. Anybody that's new to us, Stan, especially since you've been texting and messaging, This second candle here pushed back down all the way, and as soon as it started going green again, um, I got into the long. That's a trade that will teach you. But basically, what we look for is for it to get extended, about a 50% pullback, and then go back in our direction. It's a religious news trade that we take, and then we call this a second wave. So Paul got in on the second wave. Great trade, by the way, on the second wave. And then we call this the third wave. So there should be, if this stays up, which I don't know if it's going to, there should be a buy area that you can take around here. So that's the trade basically. We don't expect people to do it in their actual money accounts until you get used to doing it over time. But most of the time, there's a initial push on news, a pushback, and then a re-push. Advanced people take that. Not as many advanced people. If you're not as advanced, you wait for this pullback to about 50%. Then you take that, and then if you're really not advanced, you wait for um, a pullback like this. And if it stays around the top of this, and I get a buy signal here, I would be interested in this long. To be honest with you, I know I tried to do it long on the ES and it bit me, which is why I'm down 200. But I would happily, I think, Paul, take it again above that level on a buy stop.
Above
If it breaks there, it's going to go back up, but they're going to retrace the whole thing like they normally do, it looks like.
355.
Yeah, whatever that high that wick is right there. That's 54.75, so yeah, 55-ish. Um, I think I would do the same thing with the ES above this wick, where we'll get a little deeper pullback here. But that was good. I mean, again, almost a day done scenario here for me. I only have like three accounts left to trade. After that, 445 on that initial trade or the second trade.
Let me turn on my other chart. That would help.
Okay.
Oh, tick strike to get the
Well,
music
if
going.
this slows down, I say we just come back at 9 if it doesn't keep moving up. I'm going to take a shot on the long. I just think that that's there. I think it's there. It's not. It's still staying above that initial move. I'm not just going to go into the market. I'm going to try to. Let's see. I still like it above this R1, Paul. And there's just a lot of resistance here. That's all there is to it. Just a lot of resistance up here. And I think, and same thing on the NQ. A lot of resistance up here.
470.
I think if it
Yeah.
turns, it just needs to get a little running start of this thing. So
Oh, but are we?
I just need to find an entry is what I'm trying to think about. It's got
Let it
to,
pull back
but
a little. If it pulls back a little bit,
well, it's
sets
got to
up. That'd
stay.
be real nice.
Okay, so it's got to stay above the initial move here, right? As long as it stays above this initial move or up here, if it goes any lower than like where we initially came from, where's that first? So like here, around 50. I'm sorry, 86. If it goes below 86, we 86 it.
Uh,
Looks like they're gonna pull all the way back like they normally do.
yeah, I wasn't going to say that, but yes, that's what I'm thinking. The basic classic move that we've been seeing.
Hey, if it doesn't happen, I'll trade it. If I get a buy signal, I'm pressing a buy button. Let me put it that way. On the
Should have
lower
took
tick
that
chart.
short, man. I didn't see that.
Huh?
Should have took that short we're set up there on the big tick on the ES. But you might be getting what you. I mean it.
Well, Tom. I
it
mean, here's the deal, Tom. You've been so consistent on the big tick charts. let's not get you too gung ho
Yeah.
on the news trade. Okay,
You guys be patient. If you missed out,
Tom, you've
don't
been
let's
doing
not
so
FOMO into
well.
anything. We're
You've
gonna have
been
plenty of
doing
trades
so
after
well,
the
Tom.
open. Stick to what we know.
I mean, seriously, Tom, you've been doing freaking awesome, man. I I, I just don't want you to get the FOMO, get that FOMO.
Yeah, we're just playing
Do we
around
think
now at
about
this
this
point.
GC short or no? No.
Uh, a GC short.
CL, we should have been looking at that. There's going to be a long that's going to come on CL sometime this morning. That's going to be beautiful, and
Yeah, GC looks pretty good actually.
we got to trade that CL long. It's back on the uptrend, daily up. It hit some daily resistance, so maybe we get that pullback somewhere around the 89 and VWAP, um, and we can buy that. GC is actually going to turn into a long, isn't it? Yeah. All right. Let's see here. Sin, I saw you trying to text some things. Okay, good
There's your
job,
long.
Tom. Any questions so far, Sin? We'll probably take a break here. Oh, you did get the long, didn't you?
Mm-hmm. There's your long on the
Why didn't you
ES.
yell at me? I
I
was too
I
busy.
thought you were just talking about it. I thought you
I
were
got
looking at it.
sidetracked. I got sidetracked.
I even said, look, it's setting up right here.
You think I listen to you?
That's true. This is true. Well, again, I will just make the money then. More money for me.
That's all right. All right, watch this. I'm gonna say target's off as soon as my target goes off.
Oh, did you chase it? Oh,
I just
bad,
jumped
bad.
in. I knew
I got
again. I
y'all
think it's a good
from my
long. I did
bad.
this on the account that I had that one little loser on. I wanted to turn that around.
Oh, wow. Okay, cool, Sten.
So there's my long. Now I think this thing's gonna run. So I gotta get this target out of the way.
Well, after the open, Sten, we'll get you some good, some good, clean calls. You can take your time and get those things passed. That's awesome.
Where is this going, Paul? To the moon? I'm
To the
gonna go up
moon.
to under that R1 on the stop. And that's
Do if you're not in this, do not chase it.
17 minutes in for the ES long. Okay.
I think I'm gonna go back to bed. I don't need to trade anymore today.
I'm going to be the
Freaking, I'm
commentator the
done.
rest of the day, man. Are you
I'm
kidding me?
done. It's always nice going into the open with a big buffer.
Right.
You're calling that ES. I don't think I would have took that. Thank you for that.
Well,
To
you
me, it
know
wouldn't.
what made me think that is
I was thinking
just
short.
everything that was going on the daily we talked about yesterday, how we had that inside range bound choppy day yesterday, and then the news did what it was supposed to this morning for the first time in a long time, and the pullback stayed above the initial push. All of that adds up to this is acting like a real news event. This is acting like news used to act. I'm gonna go 2 more ticks up and leave it there on the stop. Oh shoot! Oh, this is gonna
Connection lost.
really get me. Arr. Oh my god! This is not cool. This is really not cool that this does this in the mornings.
Was it saying lost thing again? Hey, Stim,
Yeah,
what prop fund did he give you?
private
Which
message
one?
me. I want to know who your dad is. I need to send him. I need to text him and say thank you. Tell you to come on over. He's probably knows me. I'm assuming. Oh man, this is gonna come back. Can you hear me? Can you guys hear
Yep,
me?
loud and clear.
Okay. Is my chart still working?
It is.
See my mouse moving?
I tightened mine up a little bit. I didn't
I
want to give any
did.
of that
I
back.
didn't tighten mine up enough because again, I had that internet issue here in the country. But I think the stop's good here, just tucked under R2. I mean, it made a new high, so we should continue up. I don't see why this would not just be a pullback inside of a. There's a wick now. I can put this up under that little wick right there. That little wick of mine. I'm gonna let it shine. No,
All right.
no,
No, no,
no.
no, not even close.
Too
No,
early for
no,
that.
not even gonna. You're way too early for that.
That little wick of mine. Let's everybody turn to your hymnals, and we're gonna go from page 74. Oh brother, where art thou?
A man of constant sorrow.
And play the man that caused sorrow. Ah, no, I'm just kidding. Not gonna
Man,
burn
a man
Stan's ears with that.
of constant sorrow. That would not be
Hey,
good.
look at my stops working. What's this low right here? That's 94, so we need to 93. 93.75 stop. 93.75 stop. Next train on Profit Town. Let's see if this breaks up here. Let's take a second. I'm still considering that buy stop above that high on the NQ there, Paul, just because there's nothing up
Over
there.
the yes, or I don't know, man.
I
Oof.
mean, there's buys above there. Look at the past couple days. Very just a couple little wicks out of
Tough to
here.
argue with you on that, but wow.
I mean, it's true resistance. So I mean, if it breaks it, it should be done. It should be gone, right? I would think. And then you look back at daily and say, well, it is true resistance. It gets back in the bottom. If I had this range set right that we had, that was the real range we were looking at before. And it's sitting right at the edge of that range, that daily range. So I just, there's a lot of confluence there that says that if it breaks above that, it's probably going to want to go. I would imagine that's a similar case here. Yeah, so if we look at this on the ES, I mean, the ES is inside that daily range. But if we really were looking, yeah, from a couple weeks ago, yeah, that's pretty much this right here. And the ES has had something there for a long time. So I think, and it's not gonna make it though. It's gonna take us flat. So let me get out of this. Change accounts. Okay. I'm curious. Private message me, Sin. I'm curious to know who your dad is. Dude one, by the way.
Dude one.
Just click on my name, hit message. Click on dude one. If you don't mind, need to give your pops a thank you. You know, I wonder if there's probably, I mean, out of the thousands of people that know me, oh, it's gonna go back up. Look at that.
Yeah, no.
Look at that. I've sold myself on this. I'm doing that buy stop on the NQ above that high. That's almost guaranteed target.
How about the high?
Yeah, the recent high. Yeah, it's about to fill me. I'm tempted to do the same thing on the ES. I mean, I'll take a risk on that. That's the account that I was had a little loser on because I lost connection trying to get into a long trade.
Connection.
Target off. On the NQs, I did it on the same account again. The NQ, target off. Oh no, it's gonna get my target before I can move. Oh gosh, Lee! You gotta hate it when it does that. Makes you $500 that fast. Crap! I gotta switch accounts and do it again. Do it on this account.
You're just making money everywhere today, aren't you?
I told you I was like, and it took my target so fast I couldn't move it. Literally, I'm not joking. Like that, I took my target so freaking fast on this account that I couldn't move it, and that was the one that was negative. So now I need to switch accounts again and go on to another one. Do it. Um, try that one more time. Put another little buy stop in. Let's see, where should it go?
I
Right
didn't
above
take
this
it, but I
level.
probably should have.
403. 433. Yeah, I'm gonna give that a little whirl there. It looks an awful lot like a bull flag on the small tick chart. I'll just give that a set risk. I mean, but again, like I said, things are things are moving up, so that should continue to go. Target off. Oh, don't let it get my target. I was gonna come back and take my stop this time. That's not gonna be the one that runs. There's some more resistance in this area, but if it breaks through here, boy howdy,
Boy, howdy.
boy howdy. Oh no, don't do it again. You're gonna do it again? No, get out of here. Actually, that's actually a pretty good target right there. Where it
Is your
just looked
is
into.
your
I should have taken that target.
your things are frozen again, aren't they? I
Okay, you can
can't
hear me
see
talking though,
anything.
right?
We can hear you talking, but I can't see your chart. I see a an old ES trade that says $300. If it's stuck at 300 forever.
Well, I'm sitting here trading, and
I was wondering, you're talking. I'm going. You're not showing us anything, right?
do it again here. Y'all are making me do stuff, and I'm trying to make money trading. All right, I got targets off again. I did the breakout, like I said, on another account. Got my 500 on that one, so I'll be switching that one to a different account. And I gotta be honest with you, Paul. After this, I'm gonna be hard pressed to like. Is there one? I got one account that's still down from that disconnection. That's it. I go up a couple ticks on the stop here, make a true break even. Small tick chart, I'm just guiding my stop on the small tick chart right now with this little tiny pullback here. I technically should probably be under that wick. That low is 34.50, so let's go to like I don't know, let's go 34 even, somewhere close to it. 43.75, 33.75, and it's no more. No nets. My chart freeze again? Can you hear me? Did my chart freeze again? Low. Testing. Hello? Hello.
Okay. All right.
Hello, hello.
So it must be. Yeah, we lost Brian. Looks like Stretch or Stin. Excuse me. Good morning, Stretch. By the way. Stretch, you just want to do it in here?
Hello?
Yeah, give me a second.
Okay.
I'll give you access, and you can do it in here, and while Brian's working on fixing it, you can go ahead and do the morning meetup. Let me give you access real quick.
Is it 9 o'clock already? Oh wow.
Yeah, it's 9 o'clock. I'm just gonna let him do it in here. Is that cool?
I don't care.
Yeah, let me give it to him here.
Tell people that are in the member hangout to
Yeah, I'll
come
go
back
over
in.
there. I got to give him access first.
Well, I mean, I think I like them doing it in the member hangout. It
You
gives
want to do it in the member
purpose.
hangout?
Yeah, I like them doing it in the member hangout.
This is the new people probably going to get confused, but all right.
No, well, okay. I
Never
mean,
mind then.
it's whatever you
Uh,
guys want to do. Paul, you make the decision. I don't care.
yeah, just go and do it in the member hangout. That's where we originally said to do it. Sorry, Stretch. Just go over there and do it.
So I took another breakout, a bull flag breakout. Took the breakout, took my targets right away. I don't know if you guys heard me say all this. That was on one account, so that was a $500. Then jumped out here. Stan, you're going to go to the member hangout. I'm done
Yeah.
trading for the morning for right now. So Stan, go to the member hangout. You're definitely going to want to listen to those guys there.
Yeah, right below, Stan, right below
Okay, we can
this
start
live
next week in
stream,
here. That's fine.
right below this live stream, you're going to see another room that says
He's already
member
gone.
hangout.
He did it.
Okay, he's there. Gone. Cool.
Yep. All right, get over to member hangout, y'all. If you're still here, get on over. I'm done. That's it. I'm flat. I'll be back in 10 minutes.
After about 9:15.
Maybe not come back because I'm done for the morning.
That works for me.
Maybe not come back. Alright, I'm gonna mute myself and see if I gotta figure out this recording thing because I was recording this morning and I gotta figure out how to save it.